Alright, YouTube. So, as promised, I've been gone for months and months and months. But scrolling through Facebook one day, Facebook junkie. Every time them ads pop up, I see something, I like it, I buy it. So, one of them that kind of got my attention was and correct me if I'm wrong, Mojipic. And basically, it's a LED light that goes on the back of your car. Has voice commands, has a battery built inside. I plan on hardwiring it to my car if possible. It just displays stuff. So anyway, we're gonna go right there. We're gonna see it right now, matter of fact. Let's transition over to this way. And here it is. This is the, my bad. This is the Mojipic. So I'll dim the lights a little bit just to show everybody. That's what it looked like in daytime. And this light's fairly bright. It should show a good picture in the light too. So initially, I didn't read the instructions. I got on my phone. I downloaded the app. As you can see here, the first screen it showed me was like a blank empty file screen, similar to like what you would see on the old Mac, like the old Mac software where there's like a folder and it's kind of blank, showing nothing. But anyway, so first couple things I've noticed on the main screen, it's telling me I have no charge. I'm not using the charger it came with, which is a car charger that's pretty long. I plugged it into another AC cord I had laying around. You should probably check the voltage and output on the cord before plugging it in. But from right here, and I'll unplug it. Hopefully, I'll do an update. Well, it's telling me it's not charged, but it is charging. So obviously the app ain't too accurate on telling the charge level. Granted, it's only been plugged in for about 5 minutes. So the first thing I seen was right here, game. It actually has a game of Tetris, which this is a surprise because this is not what it's for. But you know what? If you want to flex and play Tetris on the outside of your car, I can't think of a scenario where you would do this, but unless you was just flexing. But if you want to flex and play some Tetris, then yeah, I kind of missed that. I sucked. But anyway, so what else we got? Screen mode, constant slideshow time. Okay. Oh, there's brightness. So as of now, let me put a picture back on there. Let's check out the brightness. Put this COVID one on there. Let's see. Bam. Let's check out the brightness. So it says 10%. Oh. So yeah, so we shoot it up to 100. That's super bright. Yeah. That's 10, and that's the 100. So yeah, definitely. I was already thinking you wouldn't have any problems in daylight, but definitely with that, you're not going to have no problems. Obviously, this has a built-in battery. If you charge it, running off the battery, that's probably going to kill it pretty fast. But like I said, I plan on hardwiring it to my car, so I'll have it max brightness all day long. So we got the brightness, synchronize. Yeah, turn off timeout. Okay. Yeah. And then let's see here. We can search by categories. I think you can draw. Oh, look, here's brands. Fuck it, Adidas. Wow, right there. I don't know if I can say that on YouTube, but yeah. Oh, I think it's actually downloading it. Oh, Apple fanboys. There y'all go right there. So yeah, Adidas. What you know about that, man? What you know about that? That's nice. BMW. Let's see, do they got my stupid Ford logo? They got Nike. Samsung. Bam. That's where I'm at all day right there. I think you can actually tell it some voice commands like, hey, I got to switch my lane or something like that. Yeah, there we go. That is dope. And it's kind of got some effects on this Samsung one, so they can add effects on her too. DNG, Facebook, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, some unknown stuff. Let's see. So I think you could draw. I think you could draw stuff. Let's see something moving. Do this USA. I think you can edit already pre-made pictures. But yeah, this video is getting a little bit long, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up. But let's see if we can load. I noticed that the moving ones are actually a little longer to load. Maybe once they're loaded, they stay there. I don't know. Like, I don't know if the device has how much internal memory it has. I don't know if I'm filling up I don't know really much about it. But since it can do a slideshow, it has to have some type of internal memory because it can remember multiple objects. So I might look into that too. And maybe once I figure out that information, I'll add that on there. There we go. That is nice. That's yeah, I'm gonna flex with this. Let's try the voice command. Here's your own, where you can make your own stuff here. Here's the voice command. Let's see. Use voice commands presented below to manage your Mojipic device hands-free. You can do a turn on, set brightness, set constant, and display your favorites. So everything that I've used, it's obviously in the memory. Let's try it out. Do I want to use Google? Or, let's see. Display Samsung. Voice command not recognized. Like, how does it know my voice? Is it going through Google or what? Let's see here. Display Samsung. Okay, there it goes. So I guess the way it works is, as soon as you go to the voice command screen, you automatically say what you're doing. Because I was wondering, like, am I going to say, okay, Google or what? But as soon as you go to the screen, you're ready and you're like, display Adidas. Display Adidas. Display USA 1. And that's it. While I'm driving, flexing, turning up the brightness also. Yeah, as soon as you put it on there, you just got to be ready to say what you want to say. I have noticed this took a while to load, so it's obviously in the memory right now. Because the second time I loaded it up, it displayed it fast. But yeah. Oops. That's the Mojipic. This is your boy, Seagull Unlocks. Back at it again. Holla at your boy.